And this be from Cash, not from YouTube.
Hi guys.
Hey.
Today, I was kind of a Grinch yesterday.
This is one I take great pride in. Jamie, I know you do, and Encore, Amanda, you'll appreciate this. One of the most frequent guests in our show's history. I take
I've been running tracks like a go-kart. I'm making art like a Mozart. I hold it down from Perth to Hobart. You say you want to rats, but you got no heart. I wasn't on the chart, so I made my own chart. Yeah, you should've known by now I'm so smart. My city was dead, I made my own spark. Yeah, my life a movie, you got no part. The Zuckerberg of rap, I left my own mark. Okay, negative energy, burn the stage up. I'm tryna be #1 like a fake cut. Yeah, they keep talking down, but I stay up. Yeah, rappers can't make hits, so they pay up. But me, I got money in my PayPal. I ain't your pal, better PayPal. I spent my nights for this to happen any day now. The stakes are high, but these days
Oh shit. YouTube! What's up, y'all? It's your boy ShyraQ, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, as y'all can see according to that title, it is now 2025, which is so mind-blowing because last time y'all seen me was last year. What? What the f? Type shit. Don't worry. I know it's been a minute. I've been having a lot of people reach out to me, friends, family, even people I don't even know, reach out to me and just motivate me to hop back on here. Y'all want another video, so you know what I'm saying? Here we go. I just want to thank everybody who watched my last video. Show any type of support, a comment, a like, a view, anything. I just want to thank you. Y'all just don't know how much y'all motivated me, man. My first ever YouTube video, I didn't think it would get 100 views, let alone 5 comments. 8 months, 9 months later, I'm at 11K views, 200 and something comments, and I'm just blessed. I'm just so thankful. I'm so grateful going into this new year. Part of this video is gonna be me making a vision board, and I'm excited. The days that I need that extra motivation, I can just look up and I can just be like, yeah, that's what I'm doing it for. That's why I need to keep going. That's why you need to keep going. You need to make a vision board too. Okay. I'm finna go get my car washed. I'm actually in the parking lot already. And y'all can come along with me if y'all want. Well, y'all ain't got no choice.
Bruh.
How you doing? Trying to renew it?
Oh yeah.
Appreciate it.
Welcome back.
Alright, y'all, so we finna get this car wash done. If y'all have a car, you gotta take care of your car, you gotta wash it. I know I'm cheating, I should be washing it myself, but it's okay. As long as I'm just got the car washed. Yo, it's a beautiful ass day, man. I can't tell me God don't exist, bro. Yeah, it definitely ain't God. Alright, y'all. So, I'm finna go ahead and clean this car out. I'm gonna try to set y'all up. Yeah.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Type shit.
Bruh.
Putting just enough so I can top my car off. Always get y'all receipt. What's good with y'all, YouTube? I'm back. Now y'all probably like, damn, you in a different outfit? What happened? Something came up and I had to postpone the plans. But we back today, you know what I'm saying? We back. I gotta go and get the rest of the stuff for the vision board, so grab y'all popcorn, grab y'all a snack. I'm gonna go ahead and go to this store. Wait for the library to open it too so I can go print my pictures out. My first time making a vision board, so this vision board ain't gonna be A1, you feel me, in terms of like quality. I'm gonna do a fit check later. If y'all fucking with the fit, y'all let me know down below in the comments. I feel like I got it on. I'm trying to practice not cursing in the new year, but you gotta form a good habit. I ain't gonna lie though, it's supposed to rain today. It's looking like it's gonna do just that. Hopefully it don't rain, but if it do, we're gonna make it work. No excuses. I'm gonna pick the camera back up once I get to my next destination. I just hang tight, man. I'll be back. Goodbye.
All I gotta make is one call. Get a nigga fly to a call. Cross a nigga up, pass out. Top of these first, I didn't turn to a set. Find the rest up in the match. Let that catch a buzz. I ride the gate to the foot. I ain't no killer, don't push it. I see how you niggas be looking. I hope you don't think you no bully. If I should star in a movie. Riding a vert with a Uzi. 12K behind me, I lose it. They ain't even they business. They ain't wanna fuck with me. Now they see a nigga drippin'. Now they wanna fuck with me. They just know I'm getting bigger. They just know a nigga busy. I been running on them bitches. Yeah. Alright, so had to turn the music off so I don't get copyrighted. I'm currently on my way to the spot to take my pictures, which is downtown. I don't know, I just like the aesthetic of being downtown. They got so many little spots, you know what I'm saying? And just be trying to find my way. But I already went and got the supplies. I already got all that. It's just a matter of me making the vision board now. So we got the vision board poster. And we got our scissors. And of course, can't forget the glue. I thought about using glue stick glue, but I was like, yeah. So I just went on here and just got the first glue I saw, to be honest. So, like I said, we got the supplies. Finna go on ahead and go take these pictures right quick. Then we're gonna go ahead and make the vision board, you feel me? I'm finna show y'all the fit in a second. But y'all could already see kinda like, basically what I got on. Type shit. And yes, I'm taking my own pictures. I do have people that take them for me from time to time, but I'm taking them myself, you feel me? I really do live like a little solo dolo type of life.
Damn, nobody do it better. Nobody do it better. Nobody do it better. Nobody. Nobody do it better. Stacking up the cheddar. Montclair coat for the cold weather. My wrist ice, I might need a sweater. You gotta keep going, cause your shit gon' get better. Beam a truck with the basketball leather. All my diamonds real, I ain't scared of no tester. Flaming hot like Chester. I beat up the pack, Sylvester. Can't trust that bitch, I left her. I look in the mirror like nobody.
These niggas be this ain't nobody. I'm beating them kids like John Gotti. Being that pay, I do like I don't stick on me, I ain't ride no shot. I got them shoes around me, I ain't fear nobody. Don't close my eyes, I ain't see nobody. You try around me, I'ma catch free body. My nigga can't print shut down that live.
Sliding them right, ain't never like no mice. I bought a Uzi, bought my brother a shot. My diamonds hit, my diamonds dance like Bobby. She stayed down, so I bought her a body. I don't believe him. If you don't even get no money, you don't even. You don't matter.
Alright, y'all, I tried to catch my picture before the rain. What it looked like the rain coming before the picture. So, as far as the pictures, I might just have to retake them. But I'm finna go ahead and head to this spot so we can make this vision board. I want to make it outside. But yeah, it's done already started raining. Y'all can see the sky. So I'm not even finna play with Mother Nature. Go ahead and catch my cut while I can. I ain't never liked the car.
What? You serious?
Alright, YouTube, so we're getting ready to make this vision board. I was supposed to do this outside, but it is raining. So, and like I said, no excuses. We gonna do what we gotta do. I got my glue, my scissors. I did tell y'all I was gonna print my pictures out on the computer. I'll make it do what it do, man. And if y'all know me, you know I'm creative, so I'm gonna find a way, I'm gonna figure it out.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I also decided, y'all, while I'm doing this vision board, why not do like a little Q&A? I find some questions. I did ask my YouTube, not my YouTube, I did ask my Instagram to ask me a couple of questions for this video, so it's gonna be a mixture of questions from my Instagram and I found on the internet. So y'all get to know me a little bit while we make this vision board for the new year. If you haven't done so already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
I want to reach 1 million likes. So please, sarapakarai. Okay, thank you.
Let's get to it. Alright, got my questions. We just gonna start with cutting out all these pictures. We're gonna go from there. I just feel so good doing this, man. Y'all just don't know. It's just crazy. First question was, what inspired you to start your YouTube channel? I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Seeing people like enjoy like recording themselves and just lifestyle. Like, you know, I love my lifestyle. I'm constantly working on my lifestyle, so it's just like, why not put it on camera? I used to want to be an actor. I had dreams, aspirations, still do kind of, you know what I'm saying? Who knows? But I always like being in front of the camera, so it's like being a YouTuber, it made sense. You know what I'm saying? The only difference is I'm not faking, I'm not acting. Like, this is me. Grew up on YouTube watching DDG and watching numerous YouTubers. I'm just like, bro, that could be me. You feel me? Like, that could be me.
It's facts! It's facts! It's not facts, these sites is not facts.
Even if it don't take off, I'm doing what I love. It's like working a 9-to-5 job. You enjoy your 9-to-5, you ain't gonna really look at it as a 9-to-5. Something you enjoy doing. Getting paid to basically enjoy your life and advertise it, man.
Give me that. What? Give me that.
Next question is, how did you come up with your YouTube channel name? This name I got from high school. Shout out to y'all who, you know, gave me the name. It made sense. I'm not from Chicago, but I'm from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Where I'm from, they call Baton Rouge Derek. You know what I'm saying? My name is Shylin, for those of you who don't know. Shylin, you know what I'm saying? They just called me ShyraQ one day. I stuck with the name, I kept the name.
If we locked in, ain't no switching up.
That's how my name originated, ShyraQ. Let's see, what advice would you give somebody who's just starting out on YouTube?
Nah, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Y'all know I'm just not starting my channel off too, so really ain't much I can say here. But I gave y'all the ins and outs of what I've thought so far and what I was going through.
First of all, yeah, YouTube is not for the weak. First video, it was an experiment. I hate to say it like that. I didn't know how well my video would do. And my YouTube journey was gonna dictate how my first video went. My first video did 11K views, and that just gave me all the motivation I needed to keep doing it, you know what I'm saying? But the advice that I would give, is be yourself and make sure you know what kind of content you wanna put on your channel. If you don't see results right away, just keep going, keep posting. It's cliche, but literally every YouTuber I've watched and studied, they said the same thing. Be consistent. That's what I'm working on this year. Yeah, that's what I would tell somebody who's trying to start off YouTube. Just do it, like Nike. Someone asked, how the do you take your fit pics? I'm trying to get more into it, but I could never crack it. I wouldn't necessarily say just pick up a camera and just start taking pictures of yourself, but at the same time, that's really all you gotta do. Like, I learned to like take my own pictures for one. I got a tripod, I got a camera. That's all you really need. And I said this a little bit in the video earlier. It's a little nerve-wracking when you're going out to the public with a tripod and a camera. Folks gonna be looking at you crazy. They know I'm fly, you know what I'm saying? Like, they know I'm fly. And then when it comes to like me editing my pictures, sometimes I post my pictures as is. Other times, if I'm not feeling them, I like go back and edit them. I have my ways of editing my pictures. I don't get into that on this specific video. If you're trying to get more into taking pictures, start taking pictures more, you know what I'm saying? It's all self-explanatory, you just gotta start. A little over a year ago, I wasn't photogenic.
Oh my God!
Man, these pictures gonna take forever to cut. That was just one page. Cut all these out and then I'm gonna pick the camera back up.
A few moments later.
Y'all let me know down below if y'all made a vision board for this shit. Let me know in the comments. how old are you? For those of y'all who don't know, your boy is 24. I just made 24 in October of last year. I'm a young old nigga, you feel me? I'm a young old nigga. I know I don't look my age. A lot of people, I get that a lot. A lot of people be like, shit, you look like you like 19, 18. And I feel like it's a good thing. I don't want to look too old. Are there any challenges you have faced on your YouTube journey so far? The challenges that I have faced, social anxiety. That's probably one of the biggest ones for me. You really don't have like all the confidence in the world yet. You feel me? Like I'm still working on it. I'm still bidding on it. You don't see too many people like recording themselves out in public, so it's a little nerve-wracking. I'm not gonna hold you, but that's probably one of the biggest ones, and probably like trying to figure out what kind of content I want to post. For the most part, that's like two of the biggest things. Being consistent, shit, that's another one. I'm not gonna lie. That's basically what I'm trying to do right now.
2,000 years later.
What are your life goals? My life goals as of right now is to just be successful. I'm not gonna get too into it. But yeah, just find a way to be successful. I want to be financially stable and happy. Simple. What inspires me? What inspires me is just seeing somebody actually getting to it and doing what they need to do. Also, you could say your mom, your dad, your family, and all that. Y'all know that all these platforms and people just blowing up. You got young people just making a name for themselves. That's what inspires me, because it's like, damn, I could be doing it too. When they young and get to it, I want to be doing the same thing. You know what I'm saying? I could be doing the same thing, and I am going to do the same thing. Go speak it into existence. I had this credit score by the end of the year. I ain't gonna tell y'all what my credit is right now. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. The vision board coming along. It ain't the best, but it's coming along. Yeah. Somebody said, what inspires your fashion taste? I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I get a lot of my fashion off Pinterest. I'm gonna put it out there. If y'all don't have Pinterest, speaking of fashion, if y'all don't have Pinterest, man, I don't know what to tell y'all. But, you know what I'm saying? Just seeing like, different people put different fits together, of different nationalities, different ethnicities. Damn, y'all fly as fuck. And it made me want to like experiment and try shit out. So I would definitely say my inspiration, I get a lot of it off Pinterest. I definitely gotta say Quan. If y'all don't know who Quan is, the YouTube channel is Poppy Q. You know what I'm saying? He be putting that shit on for real, bro. Really and truly, like just anybody who put that shit on, like if you put that shit on and you watching this video, you inspire me. You know what I'm saying? Me just seeing fly shit, it inspires me to want to be fly. That shit on. So I'm only like a year and a half into this fashion stuff. Still learning as I go. Boy, as I become, you know what I'm saying? I'm growing a passion for putting on fly stuff and just being myself. What type of content can viewers expect to see on your channel? My channel will consist of lifestyle, fashion. You may see a couple of unboxings, clothing try-on hauls, thrifting, stuff that I like doing on the regular, you feel me? All this stuff that I'm telling y'all, I do already. I just don't document it. That's basically what y'all could expect to see on my channel. Maybe having a part 2 of another cruise. You know, I'm just saying, anything's possible, you know what I'm saying? But I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit all these pictures. I still got 7 pictures on here.
Fox Rock gang, y'all put on TV. Stay in your league, little nigga, you a peewee. Darker the berry, the sweeter the key. Twist my fingers, you know that I'm sleazy.